The thing that was I was going to show you that একটা word কে কিভাবে তোমার noun তোমার একই ওয়ার্ড নাউন সেটার ভার্ব ফর্ম কি হবে, সেটার অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ফর্ম কি হবে আর অ্যাডভার্ব ফর্ম কি হবে। These are the new vocab for you today. তো এটা কি শিখতে চাও নাকি হচ্ছে you want to go with a completing story or picture description? Three options are for you now. What do you want to go?
Means what is picture discrimination?
Picture description, ছবি দেখে দেখে বর্ণনা করা। What? I couldn't hear you out. What did you say, all of you?
Miss vocabularies.
Huh? Hello?
Vocabulary.
Oh, this one? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
ঠিক আছে, বাট এটা তোমাদেরকে লিখা উচিত, ঠিক আছে? এটা এইভাবে মনে থাকবে না, you have to write it down and memorize it. Like ability is a noun, enable is verb, able adjective, ably adverb. Absence, absent, absent and absently. Abundance, abound, abundant, abundantly. Action or activity, which is act, active, actively. Addition, add, additional, additionally. Adjustment, adjust, adjustable. There is nothing for adverb. Then admiration, admire, admirable, admirably. Admission or admittance can be verb is admit, adjective admissible, and adverb is admittedly. Then advice, advice, and CE is noun and SE is verb. Most of the time we get confused like when we do this words, then adjective is advisable, advisably. Agreement, agree, agreeable, agreeably. আচ্ছা অ্যালাউটা এটা এখানে বেশি চলে আসছে, ইগনোর দ্যাট ওয়ান, বাকি সবগুলো পড়ে ফেলো, ঠিক আছে? লিখে ফেলো, লিখে তারপর মুখস্থ করলে ভালো হবে এটা। নাকি বাসায় মুখস্থ করবে? What do you want to do? Because it will take time to learn it. Today just write it down first. Yeah, today just write it down first. Make 4 columns and write it down. Hold on a second. আরে have you heard about a crow who wants to be a peacock? A completing story.
Yes, miss.
That this one. Once upon a time, a crow became very sad while thinking of his ugly color. He always thought of becoming beautiful, but he could not find any way to be beautiful, which is about an ambitious crow and his sad aunt. They always sought chance and means to become beautiful. One day, the crow got a chance. While walking through a jungle, he found some feathers of a peacock. He took the opportunity of using the feathers of the peacock to fulfill his goal. He stuck them among his own feathers. After using all the feathers, he was very delighted to see his own beauty. He looked like a beautiful peacock. He decided that he would no longer live with the ugly crows. He thought that he should live with the peacocks. Though the crow's body turned nice, his behavior didn't change. He was not able to keep pace with the peacocks. Soon the peacocks found out that he was just a crow in the guise of a peacock. They pulled all the feathers out and drove the crow away. He returned to the crows. Unfortunately, the crows didn't accept him. At last, the crow realized his fault. Finally, he thought himself, over-ambition and pride are not good. So, did you understand the story?
Miss, what is the meaning of ambition?
অ্যাম্বিশাস মানে হচ্ছে উচ্চাকাঙ্ক্ষা, ঠিক আছে? আশা করা বা ইচ্ছা পোষণ করা, আকাঙ্ক্ষা রাখা। মানে সে অনেক আশাবাদী হয়ে গেছিল, অনেক উচ্চ আকাঙ্ক্ষা স্বপ্ন দেখে ফেলছিল। দ্যাট ইজ নট দ্য রিয়ালিটি। আচ্ছা, সো এনি আদার থিং ইউ ডিডন্ট গেট ইট?
Miss,
Yes.
what's the meaning of quiz?
What?
Quiz. Guise.
গাইস।
Oh,
গাইস
guys.
মানে হচ্ছে ছদ্মবেশে, মানে সে হচ্ছে ময়ূরের ছদ্মবেশে, ছদ্মবেশ ছিল। এনিথিং মোর? আই হোপ সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো স্টোরিটা, রাইট? হ্যালো?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay, so in next day we will have this completing story as our freehand writing, ঠিক আছে? কিন্তু তোমরা তোমাদের ভাষায় লিখবে। আমি half of them দিয়ে দিব, half of the story will be written by yourself through your own words. Do you want to take a screenshot of the story?
Yes, miss.
Okay. মনে করে শব্দার্থগুলো পড়বে আর হচ্ছে এই কমপ্লিটিং স্টোরিটা ভালো করে পড়ে।
Miss done.
Okay. ঠিক আছে। So that's all for our today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Okay?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.